Imagine sitting in a cafe and instantly knowing what everyone around you is thinking. Sounds like a superpower, right? But what if it were possible for everyone to read minds? How would it change our world? Hold on, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of mind reading. Just think about it. No more secrets, no more guesswork. You know exactly what your friends, family, and even strangers are thinking. But is it really that simple? Let's find out. Welcome to Curious Chronicles, where we explore the wildest what-if scenarios and unravel the mysteries of our universe. To dive into how mind reading could work, we need to dive into the science of the brain. Our thoughts are the result of electrical impulses and chemical reactions within our brain. These neural signals are incredibly complex and unique to each individual. Scientists have made incredible advances in understanding brain activity. Techniques like fMRI and EEG allow us to see which parts of the brain are active during certain thoughts or actions. But translating these signals into readable thoughts is a whole different ballgame. Imagine a world where we develop technology capable of decoding these brain signals in real time. This device could translate your neural activity into understandable thoughts, making mind reading a reality. But how would this technology work, and what are the implications? In theory, a mind-reading device would need to be incredibly advanced, capable of interpreting millions of neural signals per second. It would also need to be non-invasive, comfortable to wear, and secure to protect your thoughts from being hacked. Now, let's explore some possible scenarios. On the positive side, mind reading could revolutionize communication. No more misunderstandings, as everyone would know exactly what others are thinking. This could lead to unprecedented levels of empathy and cooperation. But there are also serious downsides. Privacy would be a thing of the past, and people might become more guarded with their thoughts. Ethical dilemmas would arise, like consent and the potential for mind control or manipulation. It's a double-edged sword. Mind reading could have a profound impact on various sectors. In healthcare, doctors could better understand patients' pain or mental health issues. In law enforcement, it could be used to solve crimes or prevent them. In education, teachers could tailor lessons to students' exact needs. Everyday life would change dramatically. Relationships could become deeper as partners understand each other better. Workplaces might become more efficient with transparent communication. But the constant exposure to others' thoughts could also lead to increased stress and mental fatigue. Here's a fun fact. Mind reading has been a popular theme in science fiction for decades. From Professor X and X-Men to telepathic aliens in countless movies. But did you know that some scientists believe we're not too far from making basic mind reading a reality? So, what do you think? Would you want the ability to read minds? How do you think it would change your life? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending what-if scenarios. Until next time, keep wondering and imagining the possibilities. And here's a question for you. What if we could control gravity? Stay tuned to find out.